I purchased this car in 2013, bone stock, burgundy paint job, tan interior, with the intention of making a drift car. And I started with just firming up the suspension, throw a Panhard bar, torque arm, the frame stiffeners, coilovers. I mean, just really stiffened up the chassis. Also did the Cobra brake upgrade, got the stock Cobra brakes and put them on here. From there, I started transitioning into the safety, put the first cage in, put the first set of seats in. All of that's been upgraded again over the years. As far as track days, this car has actually only seen the track twice. Once on Road Atlanta, which you can actually see that video if you look at my uploads, and it saw Lanier Raceway with the iTrack event. We have not done any drift events, only just track days. Car has not been beat on, it's been maintained very well, using only the best ingredients, the best parts. All right, looking at the interior of this car, you'll see where a lot of the money has been spent, primarily on this roll cage. This roll cage has been redone and redesigned 3 times to make it more roomy. As you can see, I'm 6'1", 200 pounds. I've got plenty of room over my head for, you know, my helmet's not ping-ponging while I'm trying to drive, while I'm trying to get through corners, trying to focus on things. So the cage is really optimized. This was done by a well-known cage fabricator here in North Georgia, Top Garage. Did an excellent job. I feel very safe in this. This cage is actually connected to the subframe in the rear, connected to the pillar up here. It's just super stout. Another modification, we did put the removable steering wheel on, just making it a little easier to get in and out. Previous cages had a horizontal bar here. Since he put the X bar in, I really haven't had to utilize the steering wheel on and off very much. I can slip in and out. Another thing we did recently is went ahead and put in a hydraulic hydro. This thing is awesome. Locks them right up whenever you want it to. The rear diff's also welded. We did that on the same trip. As far as comfort, these NRG seats really hold you really well. I've been very impressed with the NRG seats. Peace of mind with these Simpson 3-inch belts. Super comfortable, 5-point. They've got the quick release right here. So you want to get out of the car, all you do is just dump this guy and hop right out. I did not cheap out on the safety and suspension on this car. That's where the money's at. It's done right, it's done professionally. All right, looking under the hood, not a whole lot to talk about here. This is a stock 5.0 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. Very reliable drivetrain. It's been very easy to work on, get parts for. As you can see, we've got MSD distributor cap, MSD ignition. If you look here, you can see where we've put on BBK headers as well. The strut towers do have camber plates on top of them for further adjustment. Overall, a really reliable and easy engine to work on. Here you can see the modified lower control arm for maximum steering angle, brand new ball joints, brand new tie rods, KW coilover package. As you can see right here, it has the full length Maximum Motorsports subframe connectors. These cuts you see on the floor pan, those are not floor pan repairs or anything. That was just for the cage to connect to the actual subframe. KW strut, Panhard Bar by Maximum Motorsports. Underneath the diff, you can see the Maximum Motorsports torque arm as well. All right, and there's the video on my 94 Mustang GT. I'm gonna put a full parts and spec list down in the bio. This car is for sale. If you're interested, just search Facebook Marketplace, Flowery Branch, Georgia. Check it out, make an offer if you want to. Other than that, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I definitely plan on making more videos. I have a knack for interesting vehicles, and we'll bring you another one next week. So thanks for watching.